Sylvester Stallone.
Well, this is the old Ranger. Gather around the campfire, and I'm going to tell you a story. A long time ago, there was a brilliant director named Billy Wilder. He won 9 Oscars, okay? Came over here, was an immigrant, 9 Oscars. Anyway, he was a genius, and he made me a typewriter. And it says Rambo's Typewriter, and all it is violence, violence, violence. Like, I'm typing bombs, I'm typing helicopters, tanks, bullets that are coming out. I just thought this was really incredibly ingenious. For a brilliant guy, 9-time Oscar winner, he gave me Rambo's Typewriter, which I still use.